Charta Caeli star map must have a definition. It's an XML file of features and parameters. Features are grouped by classes. Parameters are discrete or composite. A simple star map would define chart, horizon and catalog. Each class is followed by its feature. Parameters control each feature's behavior. A few composite parameters are still missing to complete the chart geometry, to annotate the coordinate system, and to tell which catalog objects to pick. Mind the nested script parameters. Finally, root element and XML stuff complete a valid chart definition. Let's load it into Composer and see what our first custom star map looks like. Here it is. Awesome.